Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Hearthstone game not loading problem. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to play the Hearthstone game, but it just doesn't seem to load or keeps on crashing, then follow these steps to fix this problem. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then search for the Hearthstone game. Once you find it, if you see an update button instead of play, then this means that you will need to install the latest updates for the game. Just tap on the update button and then wait until the update is completed. Once it is done and you see the play button, you can just tap on it and then the game should work now. If it still doesn't work, then just open up your phone settings and tap on apps. From the apps page, scroll down and search for Hearthstone, and when you find the game, just tap on it. Now this will take you into the game's settings page. Just scroll down and tap on storage, and now go ahead and tap on the clear data button and then proceed with clearing your data. Once you complete this process, go ahead and open up the game once again, and you will need to log in to your account, but now the game will run smoothly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the Hearthstone game not loading problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.